Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel again. This is MS channel, and today tutorial I would like to share with you how you can increase your Xiaomi Redmi Note volume. This is because many people that use this phone have a problem with the sound. The sound is very slow, so today I would like to teach you how to increase it. Okay, first you must make sure your Redmi Note have a root access. You can check it by going to the security and this permission, and make sure this root permission is ticked. Okay, and then if your phone is not root yet, please refer to my other video on how to root your Redmi Note, because it is very simple, very easy to do. Don't need any other software to do it. Okay, and then you need to download this mobile uncle application and install it. Just go to the description below. I already put the link where you can download it. After you download and install it, launch the application. Okay, your phone will ask for the root permission for this mobile anchor tool. Okay, this is the mobile anchor tool, and then go to the engineer mode menu. Okay, and this engineer mode, you will find two these two type of engineer mode: Android mode and the MTK mode. Okay, basically you will not find this MTK engineer mode in the mobile anchor tool that you have download. You have to update it first, and then you will find this MTK mode. Click on it. Okay, this is the engineer mode. Go to the hardware menu, and then go to the audio. Okay, in this audio you can modify your volume. Here we will use this normal mode, headset mode, and the loudspeaker. The normal mode is for your front speaker. The headset mode is when you connect your headphone, and the loudspeaker mode is for your back speaker, for your ringer sound. Okay, let's go one by one. Go to the normal mode first. Okay, uh, in this column, type, please change from SIP to SPH, and then for the level 0, put the 60 value, and the value is 60, and set. Click on set, and then go to level 1, put the value 76 and set. Go to level 2, put the value 93 and set. Level 3, 110 and set. Level 4, 126 and set. Level 5, 143 set. And the last, level 6, put the higher volume 160 and set. And then go to change the type to SPH2. For the level 0, put 16, 60 and set. Level 1, 76 set. Level 2, 93 and set. Level 3, 110 and set. Level 4, 126 and set. Level 5, 143 and set. Level 6 is 160 and set. Okay, now go back, and we have done with the normal mode. Go to the headset mode, change to from SIP to SPH and put the value for the level 0 is 60, set. Level 1 66 and set. Level 2 93 and set. Level 3 110 and set. Level 4 126 and set. Level 5 143 and set. Level 6 160 and set. Then go to the SPH2 and put in level 0 60 and set. Level 1 76 and set. Level 2 93 and set. Level 3 110 and set. Level 4 126 and set. Level 5 143 and set. Level 6 160 and set. Okay, and then I go back. We have done with the headset mode, and now go to the loudspeaker mode and change from ring to SPH. In the level 0 put 68 and set. Level 1 83 and set. Level 2 99 and set. Level 3 114 and set. Level 4 129 and set. Level 5 144 and set. And level 6 160 and set. Then go to change to the SPH2. Put the value for the level 0 68 set. Level 1 83 set. Level 2 99 and set. Level 3 114 and set. Level 4 129 and set. Level 5 144 and set. And the last one, level 6 160 and set. And you have done here. Just go back to the main menu. Okay, and we have set to go. Now what you need to do, just check your volume, either your volume is increased or not. You can now test it. Okay, can you hear now? Increase it. Okay, that's all from me for today tutorial. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.